Okay, welcome to Dan and Karen's kitchen. Tonight we'll be cooking Mexicana chicken. Okay, the main ingredients of Mexicana chicken are chicken that's been marinating for a couple hours in your favorite marinade. We use teriyaki. The other ingredients are bell peppers, sliced onions, mushroom, tomatoes, fresh jalapenos, avocado, and grated Monterey Jack cheese. Okay, get your skillet really hot. I mean really hot. Ooh, okay, red hot, iron skillet. You take a little bit of canola oil and coat the skillet. Then we're going to brown the chicken first. We're going to brown the chicken. And here we have 5 breasts. 5 servings. Now, why I like this recipe is because it's very inexpensive, it's easy to cook, and it tastes great. It's very good, hearty food. So just saute the mushrooms and make sure the skillet remains hot. Okay, we're going to remove the mushrooms from the heat. Then we're going to combine all the ingredients again. And the skillet remains to stay hot, but at this point you can turn it down. It doesn't have to be red hot. We're just going to actually bake the chicken and vegetables for about another 10 to 15 minutes. So what we'll do is we place the chicken in the dish, or in the pot. Okay, the onion pepper mixture sprinkled generously across the top. Then add the mushrooms. At this point we put the fresh tomatoes. We didn't want to cook them now because they would get too soggy. Just put the tomatoes across the top. And then your shredded Monterey Jack. Okay, the chicken has been cooking about 15 minutes, and when you take the lid off, you can see the tomatoes are kind of tender, the cheese is melted, the juices are it's just kind of simmering, so it's ready to be served up. We serve it up with some rice that we had cooked earlier. Boy howdy, look at that. Isn't that tasty? What do you have to say, Karen?
Kick your ass.
Let's have a little taste of this goodies. Good. That's so good you want to go home and spank your mama.